Hi guys, it's Sam. Welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be doing a room transformation, so I'm going to show you what my room looks like right now. This is currently what my room looks like. It kind of looks very messy, but we are going to fix all of it, and I'm going for a very like Pinterest boho kind of theme. So this is what it looks like, and everything is going to be completely changed. The first thing that I want to do for my room is I want to change this whole picture wall. So basically what I'm going to be doing is taking all of these pictures down and putting up new pictures. What I did was I went on Pinterest and I'm going to make this wall like my dream board. So I really like vision boards and everything like that. And I do have one that's right there. I don't know, I thought it would be kind of cool to make my whole entire wall a dream board. So that's what I'm going to be doing. I am going to take all these down and save them for my future apartment, and then I might hang some on some of my other walls because a lot of the lights are coming down, but it will make sense and look, I think, really good once I actually redo my whole room. So I'm going to take all this down, and I ordered prints from Shutterfly and CVS that I found off of Pinterest, and I'm just going to make it my whole dream board, and I think it's gonna look really cute. So with all that being said, I'm going to do that, and I did find everything off Pinterest, so if you want to go follow my Pinterest, you can. It's linked down below. And I did find a lot of these pictures off of other people's boards. I found some off of Ken and Marie's, some off of Fernanda's, some off of Hannah Malosh's, and I think that's it. And then I found a lot of them off my own boards and a lot of them off just the homepage on Pinterest. So just wanted to give those three people credit for where I actually found the pictures. So credit to them and credit to the original owners of all the pictures. So with all that being said, I'm going to take this wall down and then I'll show you some of the prints that I want to put up. And for anyone who's wondering, this wall is the Teza collage kit. I'll link it down below if I could find it.
Start your computations.
This is going to take a lot longer than I thought it would. This is the progress I've made so far. Another thing I have to do is take off all the tape that's on these pictures and kind of like store them. So I do have to remove the tape from all of the pictures and also finish my whole entire wall. I think I also might take these LED lights down and store them because I also have LED lights on my closet that I'm going to keep up. So I kind of have to see how it looks, but this is the progress that we are making so far. And those are clay rings for anyone that's wondering. The wall is finally complete. I got all the pictures off the wall. They're all on the floor here, so I'm just going to take the tape off of all of them. I started doing some and it works pretty well, so I'm just going to take the tape off of all of them, and then I'm going to take these LED lights down. I just worked through taking off the tape of a lot of these. Now I am going to take those lights down on the top of my ceiling and also the lights down behind my TV, because as much as I like how it looks, I don't like how the wires look, so I'm going to take that down.
Is there something after there's nothing?
It's ripping off the ceiling paint.
Say.
So the moral of the story is that when you take down lights, they do tend to rip the paint off your wall. I have to fix that. Now I am going to take down these lights right here and see if I can hang them somewhere else in my room, but I'm not sure if I'm going to use these yet. So now that that I finished taking everything down that I wanted to take down, I have these little prints here that I got from CVS, and I printed out about 37 from CVS, and then I printed out about 100 from Shutterfly. Those did not come in yet, so I will have to wait for those to come in. But I'm going to start hanging these pictures on the wall behind me, and what I use for this is I use Scotch removable poster tape. As you guys can see, the wall behind me is very, very clean still with no rips in it, and that is because I used that tape for these pictures right here when I hung up this collage. So that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to be doing the same thing, so I'm going to go ahead and do that. It's probably going to take a few days.
I can be your third man dog. Just a symptom you've forgotten. You slip me in your pocket, turn on the television on. Set me in the corner now.
I ran out of tape, so I ordered more on Amazon, but this is a little update on what the wall looks like. I think it looks really, really cute, and I'm excited about it, but I will update you guys tomorrow when my tape and the rest of my pictures come for the wall. This is what the wall looks like when it is in like an L form, kind of. So I wanted it to start up there and then kind of work its way down to the end of the wall over there. I might add on pictures as I go, but I don't have any more prints and I want to finish my room. So I'm going to leave it like this right now. I think it looks good just because that wall is gray and the rest of my walls are white, so it's like an accent wall. So I'm going to move my bed over there and see how it looks.
Is this what it means to have growing pains? Never come out the way you went in the same.
This is what it looks like after I moved my bed and my desk and my nightstand over there. So I put my bed against this wall, I put my vanity over here, and then I put my nightstand over there. So now I bought two things that I have to put together. So I have a ladder and a clothing rack that I'm going to put together right now, and then kind of like decide where I want them to go in my room. So I just finished putting together this little clothing rack, and now I have this little boho like rainbow print from, I think it's from Amazon, and I'm going to hang it right above there and see how that looks. So this is how it looks. I think it looks pretty cute. I did put some like green vines on my clothing rack because I think it makes it look more aesthetic. Right now I'm just going to get some of my clothes from my closet and kind of like design the clothing rack. Alright, I just finished putting all the clothes on the little clothing rack. I think it looks really, really, really cute. So this is what it looks like, and then I have my shoes down there. I am going to do a whole room tour though, so I will go more into detail when I do that, but this is what it looks like for now. Next, I bought these record players from Target. This is a Taylor Swift one, this is one from Queen, and then this is one from Eminem, and I'm either going to put them up here or above my closet. I'm not sure if they're going to fit above my closet though, so I might just put them above my bed, and I am going to see how that looks now. So I just put the album up on the wall, and now I'm going to put the actual record above my closet. This is what the records look like and the albums after I hung them on the walls. I don't think all those plants are going to stay there, so it will look a lot nicer once I take those plants off. So now I actually bought a like wooden ladder off of Amazon. I do want to give credit to Kenna Marie for this because I got this idea from her, and I actually bought it right when I watched her room tour video, so I'll have her video linked down below. Credit to her. Thank you, Kenna. I'm going to make this with my mom really quick and then figure out where I should put it in my room, and then I just have to do a few of the finished finishing touches. Okay, I just took the ladder out of the box that it came in, and it says step 1, attach part G, B, C, D, E, F, and H, shelf to the left support, part A, with the 1 hexagon screw. That seems easy. Alright, so I just finished building the ladder. It took a lot longer than expected because I had no idea what I was doing. My mom had to help me, but it does look like this, and now I'm going to put all of the stuff that I got for the shelves on the shelves. Alright, the last thing I have to do is put these little pillows on my bed. So this is from Urban Outfitters, and I also have a blanket from Urban Outfitters that I'm just going to put on my bed, and then I will be all done and show you guys the final review.
Start your computations.
I just finished my room, so here is the before and after. My room, and I literally love it. I think it looks so different. I moved a lot of things around and I just changed up a lot of things, and I don't know, I really like it and I'm really happy with it. With all that being said, I will be posting a room tour, and in the room tour I will be telling you guys where everything is from with links down below and everything like that. Again, I want to give credit to Kenna for that ladder because I did get the idea from her, and for my whole entire room I was going for like a Pinterest dream kind of room, and then also like kind of boho, but I really like it, and I'm so excited to film more videos in here and just spend a lot of time in here. With all that being said, if you guys did like the video, be sure to give it a huge thumbs up, subscribe to my channel for more content from me, leave me a comment down below because when you do that, it really does help me and my channel grow. And with all that being said, I will see you guys in my next video. Bye guys.